interesting one here, guys. This is a no start, this bike. Just noticed a bit of deterioration there. Of course, then leads me to realise that, look at those pins. Jesus, she sounds good.